Login failed on Cadre App Fix. You open the Cadre app, ready to check your commercial real estate investments, and then login failed. It's frustrating, but here's the good news. This problem is usually minor and easy to fix once you know what's really causing it. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Cadre's secure login requires a strong and stable signal. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or briefly turn on airplane mode and then off again. A weak connection is one of the most common reasons for login errors. Step 2. Make sure your app is updated. Open your App Store or Google Play, search for Cadre, and tap Update if available. Outdated app versions sometimes stop syncing with Cadre's authentication servers, causing login failures. Now, double-check your login credentials. Manually type your email and password instead of using autofill or saved passwords. If you've recently changed your login on the website, your saved credentials might be outdated. Use forgot password if you need to reset it. If the error persists, clear your app cache. On Android, go to Settings Apps Cadre Storage Clear Cache. On iPhone, simply delete and reinstall the app. Hashed data can easily become corrupted and interfere with logins. Also, disable your FAN or proxy. Cadre may block connections from masked or international IP addresses to protect user accounts. Turning off your VPN often resolves the issue instantly. Finally, if all else fails, the problem might not be on your side. Try logging in through the Cadre website. If that doesn't work either, the servers may be undergoing maintenance. Just wait a bit and try again later. So if your Cadre app says login failed, don't panic. Follow these steps: check your connection, update the app, verify your credentials, clear the cache, and disable your VPN. These simple fixes usually get you back to managing your investments quickly and securely.